This is not an easy task. During the last week, I've been trying to sort these things out. There is a lot of engines over there, parts, tracks, and there's a lot of stuff. But it's not only that. I have some, what's that, Action Canyon. I don't recall this one. I think those are like Blue Mountain Quarry or something. That's a brand new. That one over there too, brand new. But at least I'm doing some progress. So these boxes also contain Thomas and Friends. And there are some Chuggington over there, I think. Other buildings. I think those are the parts of the not complete, but those are the spin and fix thing. There's some geo tracks there, and these are for the Misty Islands things. More of the Blue Mountain Quarry. Yeah, there's another one for more Blue Mountain Quarry. Something like that. I don't recall the name. I don't know what's in that box. On this one, we have the three-way mountain things, helipads for Harold. There's another tote full. I have two more here with Thomas. That one is Thomas. That one's I don't know what are those. But here I have some Thomas. I move everything from the storage to the garage. Oh, look at that. What? Yeah, that's a big one. But anyways, I organize these boxes. So I have here, let me show you. So this should be on my website. These are some Trackmaster. What is this? Level 1. Level 2, these are for the bridges, or I think it's for girders. I think they call it girders. These are number 3, 4-inch tracks. Those are 8 inches long tracks, straight tracks. Remember, link in the description. Left and right curved ascending tracks. And I have more Trackmaster supports. These are the level 1, I think. What's that? Anyway, and these are not easy to find. These are level 4 girders. And I think these ones are level 3 or 4. Same with these ones. So there's a lot of this on my website. So it's not well organized, but I'm trying to put these Tomy supports, girders, or whatever. These are for the bridges. Remember the suspension bridge? So all these parts are available on my, or will be available on my website. If you keep checking on my website, customtrackmasters.com, Tomy road tracks. So here's another box. I have more, so I'm just trying to organize and put them in boxes. And every single piece has been washed. Look, there's a lot of bridges here. Also, these green ones that you don't find this a lot. I will not say they are rare. Here are other green bridges. I have a lot of these too. And blue Tomy tracks. Ooh la la, blue double Tomy double tracks. Yeah, this also on my website, customtrackmasters.com. Stop and go tracks. These are for spin and fix. Yeah, I have a lot of these spin and fix. And the normal Trackmaster 110 tracks. There's a lot there. For a moment I thought these were the color was faded, but this is not. I mean, there are two of the same, and these are different colors for stop and go. These are for the buildings. That's not the same color, so I organized. There's like a 5 of each, or 6 I think. And let's see, these are special tracks, and these ones are rare, even rare to find, hard to find. Yeah, I'm trying to organize everything. So they are not for sale the whole box. I mean, I put them just for a single piece or for the pairs. So you guys will be. I mean, you can find what you need. Look at this box. What is in here? There's a Gordon. Easy to fix. I think this one is take and play or take along. I remember it made some sounds. Is it on? I don't know if it works. Dead battery. There is Harvey. These are for Cranky the Crane, I think. I mean, I know this is for Rocky. This and Emily. I need to sort these models since all the boxes have a lot of models that need to be sorted out. I think this is for Steam Alone. Yes, the Steam Alone water tower. Look, there's another one here. There are some wooden parts. What is this? Cranky the Crane. I think I saw the base for that thing. Yeah, there's a lot. Remember, I remember about 5 years ago I made these Thomas and I sold them on eBay. 5 years ago, yes. But I didn't like the result. The face is CGI, so it's not the same as the other one. I made also Take and Play or Take Along. Timothy the Ghost Engines. Some of these are just unfinished. And I sold them on eBay also. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. There's another box underneath. So there's the box we were looking at, and here we have more stuff. Yeah, over the years I left all these models. I used the good ones and get the parts from these ones. And it's not only this box, it's all the boxes around here. I have not a good lighting, but look at that, there is another box. But this one is even better. What? Look at that. I need a lighting. My phone does not have a light, it's 5% charge. I need to put, I hope that this video it's good. So it's not a show off. The thing is that this is what I'm been working on, trying to sort everything out and put them and organize everything. I guess I'm going to start with look at that bunch of manuals, instructions. I guess I'm going to start with box a day or something. Ride along Thomas. These are for peg peg. So we have two. What's this? I think it's some sort of boulder thing. More Thomas stuff hiding there. What is this box even? Oh yeah. There's still a lot of stuff around. They haven't not gone through. Oh yeah, I fixed these ones. More Thomas stuff. Faceless, right on, Peg Perego Thomas. Oh, it's messy. There's another one hiding over there. Oh, my phone is 4%. Trackmaster Revolutions. Curved tracks. And I think we have some bridges here. What is that? Yeah, we have a lot. Working on it.